Hello, welcome back to another episode of Build Your CNC. I'm your host, the Allinator. Well, I did some prototyping just to see if this concept would work. Here it is. It's the poor man's linear motion guide. It's basically just aluminum tubing. Hey JJ. And basically have a washer in between two skateboard bearings. The washer doesn't touch the square tube. It just rides just above it. So you can see that it's pretty good. Rolls pretty good. Rolls pretty good in any direction. Yep. So there you have it. Hopefully it will keep the CNC perfect and straight. I think it will. Alrighty, thanks for watching.